afternoon. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And guess what we have here today? We got two products from BougeRv, and they're making Tesla products. And we're going to go through these products, and we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right to it. All right, I would like to thank BougeRv for sending over these two products for us to review. We're going to provide you an honest review of these two products. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right to it. All right, so there's the company right there, BougeRv, and they make great products. And these are Model 3 parts. So let's open up the box and let's see what it is. From the outside of the box, it looks like it's a charging cable holder. So let's open this up and let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so, you know, I love bubble wraps. As a kid, I guess everybody loves popping bubble wraps. And remember, bubble wraps has been there for long. I wonder who invented bubble wraps. If you know, please answer in the comments. Always a fun thing. Taking a look, and would you look at this? This item looks really sexy. So, you may ask, what is this? So this is your charging cable organizer. So if you have a wall charger or mobile charger at home, when you plug it back out of your vehicle, so when you plug it in and then plug it out, there's no basic place to put your cable. And this is what this is. It's a charging cable organizer. So when you're done here, you just plug it back in this hole, and this is Tesla's charging hole. Plug it back in here, and it will basically hold your charging cable. Tesla has one, a branded one at Tesla, but who wants to pay $240 just to have a Tesla branded one when you can get a company like BougeRv that has one definitely cheaper than what Tesla has to offer. They have their brand right here and their logo. And if you want to install this, they have everything included for you in the box. If you want to install this charging cable organizer. Let's put that down right there. Okay, so taking a look at the box, what this is right here, this is the bracket, and you're gonna need a bracket, and you're gonna need some screws and a place to put your charging cable to hang up. So it's very easy to install. What you do, you take these screws and screw it in right to a wall, and then place it right next to your charging wall unit. And then whenever you're done charging your vehicle, you can just use this charging cable organizer to hang up the charging wire. So a really cool product. I actually live in a condo, so for me, I don't really need this product because I have the I don't have a place to put this. So this product would definitely come in handy if you had a house. And yeah, so that's the first product from BougeRv. Okay, let's put this right back in the box here. And let's move on to the next product. Right. Oh, okay. I do like the product. I will have their link in the description, so if you want to purchase this thing, just go right ahead and follow the link. Okay, so put this back in here. Put this bracket back. Close this box back up. And then let's move on to our second piece of unboxing. Okay, so this is our second item. And I'll probably be doing a separate video for the install of this product. I really want to install it because it's a really cool item. And what this is well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. So here it is. What these are is, you know, your interior lights for your vehicle. They're not bright. But what these are ultra bright lights for the interior of your vehicle. So this, if you live in like in a dark area, this is going to give you, it's going to brighten your interior, and it's very easy to install. You just it comes with the kit and the paperwork, and this is how you basically pop out your old lights and plug these ones in. It's a 5-minute installation. Probably doing it for the first time may take you longer than 5 minutes, but after you get used to it, it should be 5 minutes. You just poke out the light and then you plug this in. And I will be doing a separate video for this item, but this is really cool. They have instructions here on how to install it and where to look for your interior lights. And these are ultra bright interior lights, LEDs. It shows where all the points you can install these. And the cool thing about this product is that this is meant for the Model S, Model Y, Model 3, and Model X. So 3 simple steps. You pry it out, you pop the old lights out, and then you plug these OEM lights from our BougeRv in. So really easy, and I will be coming out with a session video. So those are the products that we got from BougeRv. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Take care and have a nice one, and please subscribe, like, share, comment, subscribe.